Hey, what's up? Welcome to Chat on 215. I'm Rob.
And I'm Elsie.
What's up?
Okay, we're trying something new. Well, today I decided to make us some breakfast.
Breakfast, dog.
See that steam? Here, put that off on the side, love.
Oh, this shit's hot. Something like, oh, shit.
Here, babe, tilt that so they can see it.
You want to burn myself again?
No, I brought it to the table. I made some...
Iron hands over here.
It's not iron hands. I made some, what is it? Pork sage sausage, some home fries with onions and green peppers, and topped it with some bit of sharp cheddar cheese.
Quickly, hurry. It's hot.
Put it down.
All right.
You're done. I made us 4 fried eggs and some toast with some butter. And my husband's secret recipe for his coffee.
Fly, eagles, fly on the road to victory. Yeah!
Okay, so I'm going to serve us up.
In the handy dandy cast iron. Listen, every kitchen needs a cast iron.
Oh, yeah. Man.
We just fortunately have like 9 different cast iron pans.
Look at how cheesy.
Like my jokes. Like my jokes.
What happened? You said you have 9 cast iron pans?
I said we fortunately have 9 cast iron pans. You said cheesy. I said cheesy like my jokes.
Oh. Hopefully they laugh. His jokes are not funny.
Right. Here.
I got it. Some cheesy goodness.
So look, we've been away for a minute.
It feels like a minute.
It has been it feels like a minute.
It feels like a minute.
We've been sick. We did a couple recipe shows for Thanksgiving, but for the most part, the household's been under the weather. Now the oldest comes home. He's sick now. Can we get away from the illnesses?
I don't think so.
I can't sleep because she coughs all night long. All night long. Then the 3-year-old, she wants to come get in the bed, and she's nothing but top roly-poly-oly.
Look at Greedy, got to get the last bit. All right.
I'm going to add some of the homemade hot sauce in this jug here.
All right. All done with that. Put the toast over here.
Okay. That there.
Put a little bit of hot sauce. His hot sauce is good. It's just a different flavor, and sometimes I do crave this flavor hot sauce.
I think it's too hot.
It's whenever I'm in the mood.
I think it's too hot for her. She'll be crying.
Be crying. You tried it. We all know the crybaby here. Y'all seen the video. Oh man.
Thank you, Marcy.
You're welcome.
So yeah, so we back on track again. Everybody's feeling, for the most part, feeling better.
I'm trying to get better. Oh man, I swear. I talked it up.
Look, we just went over 100 subscribers. Thank you, everybody who subscribed to us.
Thank you so much.
We couldn't do it without you.
Yes.
Let's go for 1,000. Let's go for 1,000. Help us reach 1,000.
Yes.
Tell your friends. Tell your family. Tell your grandma. That's what your grandma's
neighbor.
family's in. Your neighbor.
Uh-huh. Tell some strangers.
Yeah, tell some strangers. Sharing is caring. Got some toast? Oh, wow. Mama went in already.
Mm-hmm. For everybody out here who does videos, it's a lot that goes into them. A lot.
Mm-hmm.
Man. The staging,
Oh yeah.
deciding what you're going to cook. If you want to tape it.
Hell, are you in the mood to talk today?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And for these sausages, I used sage sausage meat in the casing. It's just breakfast sausage. I cut it and then I form it into a flat patty and throw it into the skillet. Mm-hmm. Now, these eggs, they were supposed to be sunny side up, but getting the camera ready, ourselves ready, kind of overdid it.
Mine really has, actually mine has some yolk left.
Yours has yolk?
Yes.
Oh, this coffee's delicious.
Thank you, Mopsy. So is this breakfast.
Oh, thank you. We like to try new things. Testing us out on some coffee. Throwing a little bit of...
You about to tell my recipe? You
I'm not going to tell you a recipe.
about to tell my recipe?
He had a little something on the coffee.
She was just about to add a little bit of.
I was not. He jumped the gun. He always does. Man,
This is love.
back to this cough. Back to the cough, right?
Back to it all. I don't know why you do it.
I don't know. I swore I had the whooping cough. Man, I know you get vaccinated for that when you're young. But you can tell me I didn't have the whooping cough. I felt so bad for him. I tried to come down.
Can't come downstairs. We can't be apart. If I'm sick, I come downstairs, she comes downstairs. And vice versa. She comes downstairs. Oh, I came downstairs because I didn't want to keep you up. Well, guess what? You're keeping me up from coming downstairs. So I came back downstairs and she was, wow, what are you watching?
Law and Order.
I'm sitting here like, that's not going to work.
Let us know your favorite TV shows on a late night. I love watching Law and Order. All the reruns. I just can't get enough of it. Have you watched Law and Order?
Fuller House.
And I just said Fuller House.
Fuller House.
Excuse me.
We're watching this new show now. Well, it's new to us.
Yeah,
The Magicians.
we like it. It's good.
Dog. The Magicians? I started reading the book.
You did a Randy Jackson?
Yeah, I did the right. Dog. That's not gonna work, dog. That's not gonna work. Started reading the book, and I didn't make it through the whole book. And I was like, this is good. Let me go ahead and see if they have a show. Oh, sat down and said, oh, could we put it in? Put it in like as a videotape.
What?
How am I dating myself? Put it in.
Oh, put it on.
I put it on. And we were pleasant. We watched like what? like 7 episodes of the thing, 6, 7 episodes.
Yeah.
It is good. Try it out.
He does that. He goes off, reads books, and then says, "Oh, you have to watch this." They put it into a series, and I'm like, "Okay, let's go."
Game of Thrones.
No, Game of Thrones was actually when it first came out, the first season. One of his co-workers told him about the show Game of Thrones. It's in its first season. Check it out. It's good. So he called me and he told me. Now, I had just had our son, and I was home. I said, let me put this on. I was hooked the first episodes. First episode, hooked.
Why? She watched the whole entire season before I got home.
Yes.
I said, oh, we can watch it again.
It was that
I don't
good.
mind. I'm like, wait a minute.
Yes. It was that good. And he's looking at me like, is she really going to watch it again? We watched that show so much. So much.
But the book, because after, I think I started reading the book like the 2nd or 3rd season. I started reading the books. It was just such a lull between the next season. And the books are like crazy better than the show. It's ridiculously better. It's like, oh my. They definitely can't put any of this on TV. Not even on HBO.
It's so sad that this is going to be the last season.
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun.
Let us know, for you Game of Thrones fans out there, who's your favorite character?
Tywin Lannister is mine.
Tyron?
Yep.
You think Khaleesi's going to rule all 7 kingdoms?
No.
No?
No. I think she'll get knocked off.
She's not going to get knocked off.
She'll get knocked off.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Jon Snow? Who doesn't love Jon Snow? Ladies. Lord. Jon Snow.
Nah. You're my girl. The handmaiden. What's her name? Miss Sandy. Missandei.
Khaleesi's handmaiden. He loves her.
She's the truth.
I mean, just if we had to, like, we really can't pick because everybody plays their part so well. So well. The people that are evil assholes, they
Love
play
them.
assholes. Like, the king of all assholes.
Like Jaime Lannister. The first couple seasons, the dick of all dicks. Now we love him.
Yeah, we love Jamie. Man.
A little mama,
What do you mean?
what's her name?
The king of all assholes was Joffrey.
No. Yeah, she was the asshole. he was an asshole.
Anyway, for those of you who haven't watched Game of Thrones, please catch up. Please watch it. Comment down below. Let us know what you think. That's a good show. What were you saying?
Ramsay Bolton. He had to go.
Oh my God.
He had to go. He had to get his.
Oh, that man was evil. Boy. Whatever the hell he was. He was a bastard.
He was a bastard.
He was a bastard.
That bastard ass bastard.
I like back in the day, there were a lot of bastards.
It's a whole lot of bastards.
A whole lot of bastards today. Damn.
Got one as president.
Huh?
Got one as president.
You were a bastard?
I said president.
Oh. Oh, Lord. On that note, we're done. We clean house. Thanks for joining us. See you soon for the next one. Please continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you once again for 100 subscribers.
Onward to 1,000. Dilly dilly.
Peace.
We need 1,000 subscribers.
Peace.
Peace. Oh yeah. Fly goes fly. We're going Super Bowl, baby.
Anything else that you'd like to add for the camera? Dilly dilly.
Dilly dilly.
Dilly dilly.